Welcome friends to my new video. Today we will solve the exercises of chapter 12, Reproduction in Plants. Reproduction. What do you understand by reproduction? Reproduction, the production of new individuals from their parents, is known as reproduction. Like प्लांट्स जब अपना रिप्रोडक्शन करता है, अपने जैसा दूसरे चीज़ को जन्म देना ही रिप्रोडक्शन कहलाता है. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, मोड्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. वन is asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. And today we will solve the exercises of this chapter. Now we will start the exercises. Here is exercise. First one is fill in the blanks. A. Production of new individuals from the vegetative parts of parents is called vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation. Second one is a flower may have either male or female reproductive parts. Such a flower is called unisexual plants. The transfer of pollen grains from the another to the stigma and to the stigma of the same or of another flower of the same kind is known as pollination. Now D. The fusion of male and female gametes is termed as fertilization. When male and female gametes are fused with each other, then the process is called fertilization. E. Seed dispersal takes place by means of wine, water, and minerals. Placed by means of wind, water, and minerals. Now this is the question answer, and here is some exercises, so that we will first of all solve all exercises. After that we will do the question answer. So keep continue. Match items in column first with those in column 2. Bird is east. Eyes, potato. Fragmentation, spirogyra. Wings, D is wings, that's maple. and spores is bread mold. This is the extra option which were not related with any questions. Now 10. Take the correct answer. The reproductive part of a plant is the flower. The B. The process. B. The process of fusion of the male and the female gametes is called fertilization. C. Mature ovary forms the fruits. A spore producing organism is bread molds. E. Bryophyllum can reproduce by its leaves. Now we will do the question answer. Reproduction in plants. Question answer first. No, it's not one, it's two. Describe the different methods of asexual reproduction. Give examples. Answer is different modes of asexual reproduction are, this is a two types of reproduction. First one, vegetative propagation. A plant can produce new plants from vegetative parts of the plant like roots, stem, example potatoes. Second, budding. It involves the formation of a new individual from a bulb like projection called a bud. Exercises. Example yeast. Third, fragmentation. New organisms are found from the fragments of the parent's body. Example, algae. 4. Spore formation. Spore is covered by a hard protective coat to withstand unfavorable conditions such as high temperature and low humidity, so they can survive for a long time. Spore germinates and develops into a new individuals. Example, moss and ferns. Question number 3. Explain what do you understand by sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is a method which males and female gametes fuse to form a new individuals. 4. State the main difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it requires only one parent, but in sexual reproduction requires male and female parents. Second one, special reproductive organs are not required, but in sexual reproduction special reproductive organs are required. Example of asexual reproduction is yeast, rose. And sexual reproduction example is insects, animals. Question number 5. There is a diagram of reproductive parts of a flower. So you guys check out this diagram and you have to still take this in your notebook. And now we will on next question. Question number 6. Explain the differences between self-pollination and cross-pollination. Self-pollinations. It involves the transfer of pollen from the stamen to the pistil of the same flower. But in cross pollination, it involves the transfer of pollen from the state stamen by one flower to the pistil of the another flower. Second point is self pollination occurs only in bisexual flowers, but in cross pollination it occurs in both unisexual and bisexual flowers. Now, question number 7. How does the process of fertilization take place in flowers? Answer. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. The zygote develops into an embryo under cell division to form seeds. Question number 8. Describe the various ways by which seeds are dispersed. Answer. Seed dispersal is the movement, spread, or transport of seeds away from the parent plant. Various ways by which seeds are dispersed is wind, water, and minerals. Sorry, there is some missing words. I told you minerals by animals. Now we will solve all the questions, and this is completed. And friends, please like my video and subscribe it, and please give me more support to make more videos for you, and it's very helpful to you. Thank you, friends.